Well, welcome to the video. The gang is all here and iPad stopped after 12 minutes, but it won't even load the video. So I'm just going to try to go ahead and play this one and record it. Welcome to the video. The gang is all here and we have a jewelry bag from the razor place, and I just want to know what's in this one. We've had this one a couple weeks, maybe 3 weeks, and it was blocking a little Oliver from, we have like this barricade up, and it was one of the blocks. But I decided I'm going to find something else, and we're going to look and see, what this might have. I just started getting interested, and I already see a ring down here. This bag is much nicer. It's not a Goodwill bag. It's a nice clear one. Let's see. Ooh, pretty. Happy, what are we, Tuesday? Happy Tuesday. No markings. I mean, it's something else. $6. It's pretty. Five and a half-ish, almost a 6. That's probably one of the prettiest rings we've ever gotten. I like this. DLW. No name. Wait, it may have Anson. Woohoo, Anson. What's the odds of getting the other one of those? There's a nice little just group of stuff right here. Right here. Love to treasure hunt. Oh, that's nice. Wow, that's copper. I doubt we'll get the other one of those. Tiny ring fell out. We're just going to put that in the ring bag. Got the ring bag going. This is a nice little group of items. Whenever you see little pieces of metal, that's what I like. Chances of getting something good go up. Nice earrings, How about we... Oh, that's pretty. $1. It's got some green on the back. I guess that's needs to be cleaned. Corrosion or whatever. It's a dove. That's vintage. That's beautiful. This has got like a plastic coating on the outside. Different. $4. Pearls. Nobody bought the pearls last time. We've been having rain, so we did not, that's $9.25, I believe. I just got out and we did not get to drive and walk Oliver, and you can kind of tell he needs that. He was outside today, but he needs that, go somewhere different, and even though he's a handful, my bestie walks him. What is going on with this? So this is not quite Is this an extender, or what do we have going on here? Yeah, somebody added some stuff to it, made it harder. Now we have 925. And is this 925? I don't know, because it says China, so they may be fooling us. Yeah, they're fooling us. The clasp says 925, so I don't know about the rest. The chain maybe. And it's pearls. Many strands of pearls. 1818. Now they're not the round, super round. I'll show you again later. The light's kind of off. You can't complain over that. That's a beautiful find. That's how they look. They feel nice. Nice enamel, inlay of shell, $5 with brass on the inside, and it is vintage. Beautiful, beautiful bracelet. This is like glass. It's broken, I think. I think it had a cover. That's an interesting wooden piece. You gotta be careful reaching in there. Look at this piece. This is pretty too. It's like an amethyst, looks like. All right, well this beautiful Southwest large chunky, $6. I'll stick with this little group falling out right here. This might just be by itself. $2 if you'd like that. You can make a pendant. It has a hole in it. Gorgeous. I would love to find a gold. Do they make real gold bangles? This one just seems like a nice quality. Have to take a closer look. This is bent. Oh gosh, it's soft, like, I would say like lead. $925, beautiful. Set it over there. That's a pretty cross. What does that say? $4. Gold tone stainless steel. Little vintage bracelet, $3. Has like a abalone in there. Is this Brighton? Oh, I think that's Brighton. I think that's what that is. Woohoo, Brighton. $6. Nice Brighton, $6. Hey, that's nice. $4. This is gorgeous. It's agate. I don't know right now on that one. Wow. $7. This looks like something out of the Byzantine era. Whoa, I love that. Probably not going to be able to get to that. Some tangles. That looks pretty. Well, that was that. So we're going to load this. Thank you very much for putting up with a different way here. See y'all soon.